Plants are everywhere around us. They grow our food, clean the air we breathe, cool our cities, and support almost all life on Earth. But have you ever stopped to think about how plants actually work? In basic biology, plants are divided into two main systems. The first is the root system, which is usually found below ground. The second is the shoot system, which is found above ground. Root system includes the roots. The shoot system includes the stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Together, these systems allow the plant to grow, reproduce, transport nutrients, and survive in its environment. Roots are part of the root system and are usually located underground. The key functions of roots include anchorage, absorption, and storage. Anchorage secures the plant firmly in the soil. Absorption allows the plant to take in water and mineral nutrients. Storage allows some plants to store carbohydrates for later use. There are two important types of root systems. The taproot system has one main root with smaller side branches, such as in carrots and beans. The fibrous root system consists of many thin roots spread near the soil surface, such as in grass and wheat. Healthy roots are essential for plant stability, hydration, and nutrient uptake. The stem is part of the shoot system and connects the roots to the leaves and flowers. The stem has two main functions, support and transport. Support allows the plant to hold its leaves and flowers upright. Transport moves materials throughout the plant. Inside the stem are two types of vascular tissue. Xylem transports water and minerals upward from the roots. Phloem transports sugars produced in the leaves to the rest of the plant. Some stems are herbaceous, meaning they are soft and green. Others are woody, meaning they are hard and strong, like tree trunks. The stem acts as the plant's transport network and support column. Leaves are specialized for photosynthesis, the process plants use to make food. Photosynthesis requires sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Using chlorophyll, a green pigment found in chloroplasts, leaves convert these materials into glucose, which provides energy for the plant. Oxygen is released as a byproduct of this process. Leaves are essential for energy production and oxygen release. Flowers are the reproductive structures of flowering plants. Their main roles are sexual reproduction and seed formation. Flowers contain male and female parts. Pollination occurs when pollen is transferred from the stamen to the pistil. This process is often carried out by pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and birds. Fruits develop from the ovary of the flower. Their main functions are protecting seeds and aiding seed dispersal. Many foods we eat every day, such as tomatoes, apples, and cucumbers, are botanically classified as fruits. Plants may appear simple, but they are highly efficient living organisms. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more educational content.